I have not received any money from any person since I came back from jail. People have been calling me from UK and US, telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me, and then I didn't say thank you, so I'm ungrateful. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. A woman called yesterday, said she's called Aunt Ma Alice. When I was in town doing delivery, when she called, she said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Ma Alice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me, and I didn't say thank. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me, and she doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him, and I was thinking maybe he was busy, so he was going to return my call. Till now, he has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you, because I really appreciate. Aside those called celebrity, I have not received any money from anyone that you think you've given money to give it to me. I love you guys. Please, let's respect ourselves. You know, I'm a grateful being. Thank you.
As a DKB and Akuapem Poloo saying Trobi and as a plan being a more chichita swagana for plan work be pound. Hey, when Madame de Bayamo.
Make sure you don't meet to my company. Me do put it in my head is killing, and we would get in the mobile. No, come at you. No, me put it in my assay. So I put them with me.
Samati, bigger quiz. So say Trobi na mucha play plan work be on what in a pump say. Good headings, maybe I'll back to the next time. Mumbambe chichiri someone swagana for na say no crepa so say the Akuapem Poloo can hear no crea Charlie and the Akuapem Poloo, you've rushed too much. You know DKB, you know his number, you know people close to him, so you don't just come out and expose him and disgrace him like that. This guy has been through a lot fighting to bring you out of prison, and this is not how you should pay him back, by disgracing him. And I think that is too much. What Babontin tell too much to expose him, and it is wrong. You should try. Just say I called him yesterday. He's not picking. Do you know why he's not picking? So you can't just conclude that you don't know why he's not picking, and you have to listen to his side of the story. You can't just come out and put everything on him like that. I think that is too much from Akuapem Poloo, and it's inexperienced and naive. So but say no crepa say DKB 4,000 be abedi wonsa na so one fan call back there Charlie, and there was one idea because during your campaign people were in the comment section speaking that you wanted to use the poor girl Akuapem Poloo to make some money to buy yourself some cars or properties. And he say no credit the Akuapem Poloo can no credit. Then they've been vindicated, and it's a big disgrace from you and to you, and then it will tarnish your image, because this news was worldwide. Akuapem Poloo as some can see LBRT, so you should be very careful. DKB, if it is really true, then you should try and come out and explain why she hasn't received the 4,000 Ghana cedis. All right. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ishao TV. If this is your first time, please you can consider subscribing to my channel and my Facebook page for more. Bye bye.